Welcome to Lovely Stay.
Dito na kami! Hi! Ate Mare, Alex! Hello! Dito na kami sa Munta Bay, guys. Kain na yung asawa ni Ate Mare. Bye, guys! Mag-drone sila. Ate Mare, say hi!
Hello! Uy, salamat sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin.
Pero guys, mag-prepare na kami ng pagkain. So, i-adobohin daw to. Pansi ka?
Mamaya ka.
Kainin mo nga si pare. Guys! Meron kami weekend getaway. Short weekend getaway bago bumalik sa trabaho. Ganit ka muna, Ate Mare.
Bakit?
Magluluto tayo.
Ano ka? Ay, yung nga pala ito adobo.
Tapos, kansi mamaya.
Tansi. Hi.
Uy, kakain to mami.
Oh, chef.
Kain muna kami, guys. Ate Mare, luto na tayo.
Hi.
Yeah, I will. Ay, ito sila, guys. Magdo-drone sila katatapos ng kumain. Ang cute ng place. Ang cute ng place. Maliit lang siya, guys. Pero ang cute niya, Ate Mars, no?
Para siya
kompleto
cottage-
lahat.
cottage
Oo, cottage house. Kaya, Ate Mare, chika na tayo.
Oh, sige. Chica.
What's that for, Ate Mare?
Ay, this one is for adobo.
Wow, okay. So, adobo tapos kansi mamayang gabi? Okay, fiesta na naman. Tapos may molo pa, guys. Bongga talaga. Fiesta na talaga to.
Hanapin mo yung wonton natin.
Saan ko kaya yung dilogoy?
Saan mo nalagay yun?
Pero ayun, alam ko, huwag ka mag-alala. Talagang pumunta tayo ako sa woods. Kasi hindi ko mahanap. Kasi doon mo pala yun makikita sa may gilid.
Ay, nakalimutan ko pala sabihin sa'yo, oo. Sa
Kasi
mga,
naghahanap ako sa frozen.
sa mga Singapore noodles, something.
Doon na siya lalagay.
Oh, you see the after?
Di ba sana mga itinerary natin?
Wala.
Wala.
Basta kung saan tayo maabutan. Pero punta tayo 14.
Sige.
Kasi may part doon, magantay ng pang-content. Mga lalaki, mag-fishing.
Okay.
Gusto mo mag-try tayo mag-fishing?
Kakain lang tayo.
Bastos ka
Sila nila
tayo.
mag-fishing. Mag-fishing sila, guys, yung mga boys. At tapos nagpapadrone sila ngayon, nagpapalipad. Tapos dito lang tayo kami sa bahay, magluluto kami. Tapos, mag-ano.
Minsan, pag nagbablog ako, ay, yung tics ka, ilang beses ko ito ni-mention ang Montabay, ilang mention ko itong ganito. Hi guys, ako lang guys, baka sabihin na, lintik ka, Christine ka. Paulit-ulit. Ganyan talaga guys, pag nagtatrabaho sa nursing
Thank you
home.
daw, sabi ni Ate Mari, sa lahat na nag-support. Ate Mari, yung iba, pag tingnan mo yung sa mga latest na vlogs ko, kasi baka hindi ko ma-replyan na, tinatanong nila anong channel mo eh.
Ay, ganun
Yung
ba?
iba.
Ano?
Ay, baka makita mo lang.
Sige.
Kasi,
Salamat talaga guys ha, pero yun na nga, sabi ko nga, ulitin ko lang ha. I don't know, where is she? She's in the laundry. Paano po in the laundry?
ako nakabahan ako agad. Bigyan sana ako. Outside?
No, darling. Where's the
Dumating na yung
laundry?
boys. Ayun na, nakikita ko na yung mga boys.
I lock it. Open the door.
Ang bilis nyo naman, Han.
Ang init eh.
Left na.
Ayos na.
Where did you go?
Where have you been?
Going there for the drone.
So, what? I don't know. What am I going to say?
Went down there to play with the drone.
So,
There is access to the beach down there. I didn't see last night.
there's a jetty on it?
No,
What do you
not
drink?
far from the jetty though, but
So, where are you thinking?
it's low tide at the moment.
Ania! You say hi, guys. Look at guys, oh, ang cute ng outfit niya. Harry Potter. Bakit naman ganito yung book nito, Daddy? Ayusin mo naman. Kiss Daddy. Love, love, Daddy.
Hey, like that. No more juice. Ay, naku.
When we was in Kangaroo Island, we have a big holiday house. Just on...
Guys, chill lang tayo. Busy si Ate Mari sa kusina.
Oh, alas pa lang naman eh.
Oo. Mamarinade lang daw niya para mamaya lutuin namin. Daddy! Hello! Hello! Say hi, guys! Hi, guys! Say hi, guys. First, hi, guys. Kiss mama. Tignan niyo ang cute ng suot niya. Look at them, baba. Look at them. Oh, Harry Potter siya, guys. Oh, Harry Potter.
Asmara ko din. So nice. Cool.
Ayan, magsiselos ka na, magsiselos.
Uy, where did you get that? Put it back. Put it back.
Leave it there. Where's my camera?
Put it
Dance,
back.
Aliyah, dance!
Mami, baka masira. Ate, get that, ate.
Say hi, ate!
It's a tea. It's a toothpick.
Ate!
No.
Guys, back to cooking.
To cooking. Oy, nakatapos na ako. Snacks na to.
Ay, snacks na ba yan? Ay, gagawin natin, Ate Mars. Hindi na ako tutulong.
Hindi na. Oy. Tingnan mo na yung ating adobo dyan.
Well,
Hindi ko alam kung paano
talaga ako
ko
ni
gawin.
Ate Mars. Sabi nila sobrang bait mo. Nakita ko sa comment.
Hindi ko
din
alam
naman
kung
ako, ah.
paano ko gawin itong oven. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, doon na ako magluluto sa pan mamaya. Wag na. Pahirap-hirap pa tayo.
Anong ginawa mo, Ate Mars?
Ha?
Hindi siya black yun. So,
Brown.
just get a brown.
Na-notice ko yan sa mga batang pinanganak dito. Totoo!
Hindi, Australian tatay ni Aliyah eh. Australian citizen. Australian citizen naman talaga si kuya mo
Hindi
eh.
naman ako nag-react ah.
Oh, smile lang naman ako. Guys, papunta na kami sa water park dito sa Monte Bay. And then later on, pupunta kami sa Port Hughes. Mag-beach kami. And si Habi at saka si pare mag-fishing. Daddy.
Squid.
Hi guys! Mark!
Hi.
Hi Aliyah! Ate!
Say hi.
Say thank you guys!
How about you say lovelies?
Yay! Welcome to Lovely's. Yay! Thank you guys! Park. So dito na lang kami sa Port Hughes na beach. Dito muna kami mag-spend ng gabi and then yung mga hobby namin andun na sa sa port. Sa jetty, nag-fishing. Hi Alex, come here.
Hello.
Hey, ang good ko. This is so nice. Ito. Yeah. So bukas balik kami sa water park guys. Sarado na. So dito na lang kami dito. At least hindi nagsasarado yung beach. Guys, ayan o, may pop-up din kami.
With rocks in them.
And,
Gonna go to deep water.
yeah, I know.
Aliyah.
Tignan nyo guys, nag-swimming na gata. Yay! Go swimming, Papa! Ate Marsawa. Ninang! Aliyah!
Oh, ayan.
Come here, Aliyah. It's okay.
Para sa kita mo daw.
Yay! go. Dito lang kami ni Ate Mare. Ate Mars! Ate Mars!
Naku yung bebe.
Ando si Maxine at saka yung mga mga kids. Guys, nandito kami sa jetty. Dinalan ko lang ng pagkain si Habi. Honey. Wala pa siyang huli. Dinalan ko siya ng pagkain, guys, kasi magagabi na, hindi pa yung kumakain kasi sobrang sobrang tawag nito. Sobrang ng niya. Paghuhuli ng mga isda. Wala namang nahuli.
Ang speed.
I don't know what happened to January is Connor and now January has friended his uncle. He said that Connor
Sila Ate Mare, tapos yung asawa niya, tapos yung anak niya Ate Mare, guys, andun. So, ito yung jetty. Yan. Yan, nagdala ko ng adobo sa kanya. Ano, Daddy? Sarap ba? Gutom na gutom pag walang huli, ah.
Guys,
Ang dami na naming crabs. Ano, Ate Mars?
Oo. Uy, 10 na.
10 na kami lang naman kakain.
Blue crabs. Kami lang kakain yan.
Blue crabs, Ate Mars?
Yes, blue
Ang
crabs.
sarap yan, chili crab.
Ayan o. Ayan o. Too small.
Don't. It's okay. don't. It's okay. Sayang. Sayang. Makukulong daw ako, guys. Sayang naman kasi itatapon niya eh. Too small daw. Pag too small, Ate Mas, binabalik.
Yes, because you got fined 300.
Dito tayo, Ate Mas, sinaano.
1,000.
3,000?
3,000 ba?
Ay, sana hindi na nananig yung pagsabi ko. No. Sayang naman kasi, malaki na rin yun. Ulam na din. Ano na pare? I bring you food, ha? I'm so
It's
sweet. I feel like wala ka pang huli, nagugutom ka na. Sabi ko, dalang ko si ate, si Mark. Gutom na gutom. Yan yung mukha ng walang huli.
So sad.
So sad. Pero marami na kaming crabs, guys. Bongga.
Look at that,
Same crab got
guys.
back in mine.
Huli na.
Yay! Small?
No, leave.
Anong kaguluhan to mga pare?
5, 6 centimetres.
Oo.
Millimetres, I mean.
Ate Mars, flashlight, Ate Mars.
Ayun kay pare, wala akong flashlight.
Ano yan? Hindi. Dito ako nakatingin dito.
Ayan, madami na tayong pagkain.
Oh, ma.
Ay, Is that small?
Sayang naman, guys, babalik daw eh.
Wala tayong magawa eh.
Pwede na yan, ulam din yan.
Wait, he's
Way too small? Oh my God.
put him in your pocket.
Wisit talaga sila, oy. Ay, naku. Alam, baka mabingnit mo ako ba? Nabingnit mo na ako eh. We're going na, Daddy.
Phone. It's in there in your room. Because Aliyah was
Guys, ilagay na, do not touch Papa because it's gonna bite. See? It's gonna bite, oh. It bites, oh. Ililipat ko na, lulutuin na namin yung crab na nahuli, guys. Uy, gumagalaw pa, guys.
What is that?
Yay!
Where's my camera? Where's my ano? Where?
Alam mo, Ate Mars, first time kong look at this one, Ate, oh. It's biting.
Oh, that looks...
Actually,
Oh, yeah.
Oo, tinuwa, Ate Mars, oh. Kung wakit. At,
Ang bang pinalawa? Parang pinag...
Guys, nangagat siya, guys, oh. Tuwa ako.
Sobra siya!
Ang laki, Ate Mars. Pag ikaw nakagat, hindi niya talaga binibitawan pala, Ate Mars. Do not touch, Ate.
I'm not gonna touch. I'm just looking. It's upside down.
Oh,
I kind of feel bad if you have to kill it.
oh my God. Na-feel bad na naman si Ate. Wow.
How much cat? Oh, there's a lot.
So, 1, 2, 3. Ito, malaki to.
Oh.
Ayan, buhok ko.
Four.
Ilan ba?
Hindi ko binilang.
Ay, ang ganda-ganda. Ayan, hindi niya pinilang. Akin na nga.
I-rewind ko na lang.
Hindi, wag na. Wag mong laruin. Kaluka ka. Kunin mo yan.
I-rewind ko, bakit ba, Ate Mars?
Oh, pwede rin.
No. You can only skip one person. So you skip to the person. What's wrong? Huh? Ay, hanap daw. Yeah, but it's the same for me.
Okay.
Bebe. Bebe.
9:40 na, guys. Ngayon pa lang kami kakain. Busy. Totoo, busy mo. Busy siya.
Goodness, I know what you are. I know what you are. And I know what Leah is.
Forget about it.
Sino mo, Ate Mars, sumali yung isang maliit.
It's only a little bit of people. Who do you think is the mafia? Who's the mafia, Connor? Ate, who's the mafia?
Can you please?
No, I'm the narrator. Who knows? Okay. I'm gonna stand up. Stand up.
Stand up daw, Aliyah, stand up.
Stand up, Aliyah. Come here, Aliyah.
Sino mo si Aliyah?
Oh, Jesus. Okay, Connor, who do you vote? Who do you vote?
Isha.
Isha? Isha, who do you vote? Aliyah.
Good morning, guys! Kagigising lang namin. Ate Mare.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, Alex.
Ano good morning? Ano oras ako?
Good morning. So, talaga? Kasi nag-fishing pa siya kagabi, guys. Sa dami niya nahuli. Ako, alam mo naman, butata. So, guys, magluluto lang kami ng breakfast. Tapos pupunta kami ng water park kasi kahapon nagsarado. Kaya nag-iyakan yung mga bata. So, ngayon namin itutuloy. And ano pa ba agenda natin? Yun lang, Ate Mars, right? Tapos,
Excuse me.
ano ba?
Excuse me.
Ay. Tapos yun. Hoy. Ano yan?
Talaga tong batang ito.
Nahukot in the actor, guys.
Oh. Paano siya eh? Pa-ask if
Hi, darling. Aliyah. What are you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Where my daddy?
Okay. Guys, ito yung mga huli ni Ate Mare.
Grabe ako talaga.
Kasi ito yung huli namin sa crabs. Ang galing namin, ang galing.
Mga ano to? Ilan ba yung kagabi? 9?
Mga 9 or 10, tapos 11 plus 11. 20.
Yay, Leah.
Tapos lulutuin namin yung mga nahuli ni Ate Mari guys. So, prito namin.
Tutuin natin yan.
Good morning! Ate Mars, nilagyan ko ng konting oil.
What do you want, baby? Coffee, ba?
Yeah, coffee.
Hang on, baby, ha? As I'm making your
There's your arm for fishing, eh?
Very good and so strong. But you know the fish is way too big. I can't touch them.
Actually, we're
You need to get your hand. You got
Yeah.
to grab it.
Did you get some yesterday?
No, it's just trying to go for squid. Last week could not get a squid.
Did not get a squid.
Well, that's fishing for you. Plenty of crabs, though.
Yeah. Guys, hotdog na ako. Tapos na yung itlog, hotdog na, and then bacon na ulit. Mamaya. And then, ano pa, Ate Mars? Isda. Pritong isda. Yung mga nahuli ni Ate Mari. Basta tayo, guys. Yay! Tadi.
Ay.
Ate Mari. Kain. Isda. Nahuli ni Ate Mari. Bacon, egg. Tapos hotdogs.
Ano, kakos?
Kain.
Daddy.
Ate, go back there. Ate, go back.
Daddy, this one.
Wait, look, Mark. Come on. Come on. Okay, wait there, okay? Mark! Mark!
No, this is Dad.
Say hi, guys.
And I'm
Leave your shoes.
Look your head.
Yes.
Mga loves, thank you for watching the entire video. At kung nakaligtaan ninyong panoorin ng aking mga previous video, please just click the link. And for more katatawanan, kabaliwan, and good vibes, please show some love and hit the subscribe button. As I always say, continue to be a living blessing to others. Be kind and may you have a lovely day. Mwah!